Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to the oracle reading for the day. In fact, we are in the beginning of the month. So, for today, I'm also going to pull a card for an overall message for the month, right? So, that is what I'm going to do. This is Shilpa Menon, and I'm going to do the reading for the month of August 1st and maybe then pull out a card for the month for the day. So let's see. I have chosen Ascension Cards deck to begin with, and probably I will also use my Archangel decks today. Right. So what am I thinking of? We are in this very powerful portal period. I don't know how many of you all are aware of this, but from 26th July until about 8th of August, in fact, it is little extended also, but this is a powerful Lion's Gate portal. This is when a lot of our dreams get activated. So I'm not sure how many of you all are getting heavy duty dreams or visions. It could be collective consciousness dreams as well, or premonitions. So this is a powerful time right now where Sirius, our soul sun, or the second sun, is very close to the earth, and a lot of us will be connected deeply with energies, and our psychic energies may also get activated. Intuitive energies will get activated. That is what the month of August is bringing in. August is also a number 8 month. So in the angelic realm, 8 is all about abundance, manifestation. If I put it horizontally, which I've said in one of my readings earlier, it is just not materialistic abundance, it's also spiritual abundance that will flow through you through an infinite process. So that is what the month brings in. So let me ask the oracle deck, what is it trying to tell us today for the month of August? So I have picked up this lovely Dinah Cooper Ascension cards, which says accelerate your journey into the light, and I thought it was a perfect thing to start our month with. So here I am, and this is how the back cover looks like of the card. It's a lovely pyramid. Perfect timing again, because this is when a lot of Egyptian connections and pyramids activations are happening right now. And what is the message that's coming today? Once again, it's very interesting and quite synchronized. The card number is number 8. We are in the month of August, which is number 8 numerologically again. And what is the message for the month? The message is Huna prayer. So there was a high priest called as Hermes, who was actually also that back in those days in mythology considered as God, and he had worked with the lost civilization of Atlantis that we call today, but he was a high priest of Atlantis, and he had moved his tribe from Atlantis to Hawaii. Okay, and that is when he taught his tribe called as the Kahuna tribe, the Huna prayer. So what is this Huna prayer? If you have anything that you want to line up for this month, any materialistic manifestation or spiritual manifestation, just simply close your eyes, offer your prayer to your guides or your angels or masters, whoever you look up to. So you can journal it down and write that this is what I wish to manifest for this month. And once you address your prayer to an angel or master of your choice, please state your request 3 times in positive terms, right? So that is what, when you say stating it 3 times in positive terms, which means it is happening now, all right? Or thank you for making it happen for me. Now, what you do after that is you say this tail ender or the closing prayer, which is very important and also called as the Huna prayer, that may the rain of blessings fall, so be it. May the rain of blessings fall, so be it. May the rain of blessings fall, so be it. Just feel the energies when you say this. Really feel it, believe it, anchor it. And again, very interestingly, this Huna prayer is repeated for 30 days, which is exactly a powerful message for the entire month of August. And then you stop it, right? What is also written in the card is that watch for signs from the universe and take action at any time if it feels right. So whatever you've asked for universe, and every morning probably you can start this prayer with your positive affirmation and the closing Huna prayer. And you can then during the day watch for signs and take action whenever it feels right. So this is an entire month where you will actually start watching for the signs. So today I really invite you to sit down and write what is it that you wish to manifest for the month of August. your guidance is to start a Yuna prayer in some aspect of your life. And if you are already doing it, just engage in one. So, like I said, start with the prayer today. Ask yourself, what would I like to manifest in the month of August? It is a manifestation month. Alliance Portal Gate, very close energies, and a lot of light beings and light workers and celestial beings are working with us right now. So tune into this tap into these energies and allow it to work for in your favor. Now, what is the Archangel deck? Let's see what are the archangels telling us for today. All right, so here is the lovely Archangel deck, and I'm going to pull a first card as usual, and the first card is very interesting. I just spoke about it, that journal, and the first card is creative writing, which talks about Archangel Gabriel. Archangel Gabriel means, the name means God is my strength, and we can invoke Archangel Gabriel to allow us to write, especially if you have any blocks or you want to journal. Archangel Gabriel it is for artists, creators, teachers, authors, writers. We may not be any of this, but just the fact that we want to sit down today and write what do we wish to manifest for the month of August. Archangel Gabriel it is. You can invoke Archangel Gabriel, then follow your Yuna prayer and write what is it that you want. So that is what it is saying, that please make time to write down your thoughts in a journal or pen an article or book. So that is your message for today. Invoke Archangel Gabriel. The message for the month is the Yuna prayer, which is very beautiful. Write your prayer, whatever you wish to manifest in positive ways, say it 3 times and follow it with, may the rain of blessings fall, so be it. May the rain of blessings fall, so be it. May the rains of blessings fall, so be it. Happy Abundance August, and this is Shilpa Menon signing off for the day. Your oracle reading for the month and for the day via the oracle cards. Thank you so much everyone who's joined in. Goodbye. Have a beautiful, beautiful month, abundant August, and do journal and invoke Archangel Gabriel. Goodbye everyone.